Hi guys, welcome back. Step by step with Mayra, where we learn to do candles together. Alright guys, I hope we can do this video with no problems. It's like today it's been a crazy day. Like incredible, an event. Okay guys, I'm melting some wax. I have it here in a burner. I think you can see it from there a little bit. I'm just mixing it together. For my people that speak Spanish, bienvenido a Paso con Paso con Mayra, donde aprendemos a hacer velas juntos. Estoy meneando el wax que yo tengo derritiendo aquí, que puse colores. I put some colors, guys, okay? So yeah, just moving it. It's gonna be a simple, easy video. It's not going. Anybody can do this, trust me. Okay, you're gonna need a scale. Okay, any person that do candle needs a scale. You need it. Okay, you need to measure your wax, your fragrance. You need to measure your wax. It's very important. I got this in Amazon, and I like the small ones for the fragrance. I just like it. I got a bigger one for more big, when it's more bigger containers. But this one is a small one. I'm gonna use this to measure my fragrance. Shot glass. Voy a usar este shot glass para coger shots, para echar la fragancia y medirla aquí en la pesa. Necesitan una pesa, okay? Also, you're gonna need fragrance. I'm gonna use this one from Candle Science, guys. I hope you can see. Okay. You make sure, guys, you can see. Okay. From Candle Science, okay? You're gonna need that. Also, you're gonna need these little squeeze things for the melt. Necesitar esto, esta cosita. I forgot how you call it in English. Let me know in the comment section how you call it, because I forgot. You're gonna need that, a couple ones, so you don't contaminate the rest. But you only have one, just be careful that it's nothing when you squeeze in the other colors, so you don't mix them together. And of course, you're gonna need some colors, some mica powder. You see here? Yeah, van a necesitar unos colores. Yo tengo estos colores. Ustedes pueden usar lo que ustedes quieran. I like powder in this particular tutorial. Me gusta el polvo en este tutorial, particularmente haciendo esta deretido como de ceras, como dicen, melt wax. I like this kind of powder. But you can use black, whatever you got. The liquid, no problem. Okay, guys. So here we go. We got the start of the show. The house mold. I'm using this because my sister, she have to do a couple. She sells houses, so she wants some melts to give to her clients. So she asked me to do some melts for her, and I come out with this. We come out together with this idea, and I come out with the design, and we did it for her clients. So yeah, just gonna this is I love this alcohol wipes. Must have. Also, let me keep clear. I always use gloves when you're dealing with clients. You're doing candles or wax for your clients, but I'm doing here for the video, so I'm not wearing. This is clean. I'm just cleaning it again. I'm OCD like that, but it's rinse. I just want to wipe it a little bit. You should always disinfect when you're using anything that you're doing for your clients, okay? Even the candles, jars, everything. Must disinfect and clean them, okay? Siempre que ustedes estén haciendo algo para sus clientes, usen guantes. Yo no lo estoy usando porque esto es para el video. Pero cuando están usando para sus clientes, y desinfecten. Esto es alcohol, estos son los wipes estos, ¿ok? Y desinfecten todo lo que ustedes usen, ¿ok? And that's it, guys. I'm glad. I'm trying to do many videos I can for you guys, you know, so you get to know me more. So that's why. But I just want to come in and make a video easy, simple for you guys. So yeah. You know what, guys? I forgot something. I'll be back. Okay. So I put this more closer to me. I hope they don't. I always keep it over there, but I think it's more better. Let me see. So you can, let me make sure I'm in the center. Let me move a little bit more here. Let's do this fast before it gets cold on me. Let's see. Can you see it better? Yeah, I think so. Okay. I'll grab one of these. Where is it? I used before. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go move it again. Make sure before it gets too and I just wipe it in the paper towel and go to the next one. How pretty that colors are, guys, right? Look at that. Beautiful colors. Let me make sure I'm not in the, you see. We'll do the blue here. Yes, makes signs that you don't have to be perfect, guys. It's marble, okay? And squeeze it, and then go to the next one. Make sure that you take out everything is in here. But make sure this is not okay. That's melted already. Let me put it down a little bit. Okay. I already put fragrance here. I'm sorry, guys, that you don't see it. Ya yo puse fragancia, que ustedes no lo vieron. Disculpen. I need another one. It's getting too cold on me so fast. Make sure I have one here. I have to use this fast. That's why I keep it over here, so this don't get too quick on me. And just try the way you want it, guys. There's no right or wrong doing here, okay? Make sure of that. It's not right or wrong, okay? Just do it how you want to do it. Just marble, remember, marbles, we are not perfect. I think I can, let's see if I can put it here. And you guys better can see it better. Let me see. Can you see it better here? Let me move this a little bit here. Let me put this a little bit back here better. And yes, new ones here. I think that's better, right? Just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing, and I don't see. Can you see it now? Okay, I think that's perfect. Okay, and let's go put the gray one here. It's not right and wrong doing here, okay, guys? Just do what your heart desire. Whatever you want to do, that's how they're gonna come out, okay? And let it cool down before you fill them up, okay? I was supposed to do 2 of each, but I didn't. But it's okay. You know what, guys? Just think about something. I'm gonna try this. Now, seeing this just gonna put gray in this one and see how it come out, right? You can do it however you want, guys. It's not wrong and right. Marble are like that, okay? Go over it again to make sure everything is nice and color. And that's it. Look how simple. No hay mármol, no hay reglas. Pueden hacerlo como ustedes quieran, como ustedes deseen. Que no hay reglas. Ustedes lo hacen como ustedes quieran, mis hijos. Mis amores, mis hijos, mis amores. ¿Ok? Ustedes lo pueden hacer como a ustedes les salga de los pantalones, como dicen los boricuas. Mi gente, ustedes saben cómo es. So, guys, you let it dry and get a little bit hard on you, okay? And you come and you get your other wax that you have here, and you move this out of the way. Let's turn this off so later I don't forget it. And what we're gonna do now, the changes, you have one, no, this one. Yeah, no, not this one. Let me check. This is the wax. They had it melting, guys. I used all of them. Oh, wow. We're gonna use this one, okay? And now we're gonna fill it up, okay? All of them. Just make sure they are not liquidy, because you don't want they mix them all together, okay, guys? These have a little bit blue, that's why. Don't do what I did. But it's okay. Okay, make sure they hard, because see they not, they would mix with the other wax, and you don't want that, because you want it, you can see the marble, okay? I'm sorry, see, I was, you guys, see my, and that's it. Just fill it up, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Oh, and next video, I gonna review some new fragrance that I got. I'm waiting to be delivered. Yeah, guys, because you guys gonna help me get my fragrance together. You guys gonna help me test fragrance for my candle line, okay? And we're gonna pick up some names. And don't worry, see, it's a little bit out of, you drop it a little bit in the size. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, I can clean that. It's not a problem. So, no se olviden suscribirse, gustarle y darle esa campanita para que le notifiquen para mi próximo video, que voy a estar probando una fragancia que mandé a comprar para la línea de mía de velas, para que ustedes me ayuden a escoger la fragancia, el nombre de mis velas y todo eso. Por eso quiero que se suscriban, porque yo quiero que ustedes sean parte de mi historia. Por eso yo decidí hacer este canal, para aprender cómo los pasos para llegar a poder vender tus velas, todo lo que conlleva. Aparte que voy a hacer tutoriales y muchas cosas que tengo en planes, pero so yeah, guys, I want you see, you gotta wait. It's not too hot, so the color, it don't melt, okay? So you should wait a little bit longer. Don't do it like I did, because I think this wax, it was a little bit too hot, okay? Just make sure that it's not too hot, okay? So you can be able to see the fragrance, the colors, okay? So remember that, so it don't happen what happens. Acuérdense de eso, mi gente. que esperen que el wax no esté tan caliente para que los colores no se derriten. No hagan como yo hice, ¿ok? And guys, you let it that sit, okay, to the next day. Let me move it because I have another one. I hope I don't drop it, guys. Let's see I have luck. Oh, bad timing. It don't happen to you guys that you forgot to turn on your phone. I know I forgot something. So guys, this is the one I have done. Because the sake of the video, I did some for you so you can see how they came out, okay? So remember that. Make sure that all the white wax is not too hot so it'll melt the color, okay? So this is how I do it. Turn it over and it should come out easily. Whoops! You see, guys? Easy. I love this wax. That's supposed to be no problem. Hard. You see, that's why you need. I'm gonna. Oh, I forgot to tell you the wax I use. I think I use 30W from California Candle Supply. I will put like a picture over here, so you will see what wax I use. I forgot to tell you that, guys. So you see how they came out? How easy and cute. You can do this with your friends, with your family member, whoever. Have a nice Friday night. They make movies, you make some candles. If you drink, get something to drink, some wine. If you don't drink, it's okay. Just have some sodas. But at least if you see, you can get together. I don't know what state you are and how is the situation now because of the corona. But if you allow, that would be nice. So what I do, how I do this, I put it in this little bag that I bought. Try to not touch it too much with the wax so you don't dirty the bag. Traten de no tocar mucho la bolsa para que no se ensucie con el wax, ¿ok? Esta bolsita yo las compré en Amazon, ¿ok? I'm going to leave it in the description everything I use for this video. And this is what I do. And this come with like a little, esto es lo que yo hago. Esto viene con un tape. You see? And just like that. I like to put it in a plastic bag before I put it inside these little pouches. So the smell, you know, it keeps the smell, I think, right? Me gusta en estas bolsitas plásticas antes de meterlo aquí porque el olor, para que se mantenga el olor. Keep the fragrance in. If you leave it outside, like, you know. And look how cute. That is not so cute, guys. Nice, easy. You see? Some of them you can put you see the color? And some of them you just can do it like white, completely white. Listen, you can use your imagination, okay? Usen su imaginación and do how you like it, guys. And you can make this to sell, you know, to a wedding, a birthday, anything. And just put your logo here or a sticker or your business card in the back. Just use your imagination, okay? So I know it was a short and quick video, but I just want to have a video out there for you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And also, remember to come back so we can test some fragrance, okay? Acuérdense de volver para poder probar la fragancia, no probar, para chequear la fragancia y a ver cómo huelen y eso, okay? Bye. Bye, guys.